So we got Trusty, Rusty, and Floppy, and we're gonna do this hill. Maybe. I got the crawler gears in there. Upgraded shots. I'm gonna try going up. Are we gonna make it? No, my diff is hooked on something here. I keep getting stuck in that hole over there. There we go. Alright, that was my run. Now let's watch Floppy go up it. And we call it Floppy because give her the Floppy.
Trying to get over. Trying to get it over.
In here, I thought crawling gears was a huge help. It took me like a minute to crawl up that, and I think it took like 30 seconds. So, we're gonna try it on the way back down. Trying to pick a line here, but this is such a mess. It's pretty gnarly though, for 18th scales. There we go, got over that spot. That damn stick right down there, it's the same one you got hooked on. Alright, let's see what Floppy can do. Give her the Floppy. That all started because he rolled across the finish line with it once. Oh, you're on that fucking stick again. If this was real life, I'd feel really bad for that driver. I hooked on the edge. Almost had to give her the Floppy.